You know what the top 1% of YouTubers all have in common? Killer scripts written by expert scriptwriters. And I literally stole the brain of these YouTube gurus using AI. So now they're writing all my video scripts without even knowing it. I know that sounds outlandish, but let me explain. Last month, I built a system that takes the exact writing techniques from the best YouTube scriptwriters, combines them with the content patterns from creators pulling millions of views, wraps it all in my personal voice, and writes scripts that perform better than anything I could ever write myself. I'm not making this up. I've literally tested this on my own channel. My second video ever on YouTube hit almost 10,000 views using this exact method. That's right, just my second video. Most people spend hours struggling with scripts that underperform. Hell, I used to spend days writing a single video. Now, I get way better results in just a couple hours. This isn't some basic ChatGPT prompts or generic AI tool. This is a completely different approach that 99% of creators have no idea exists. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I build this system to replicate the brains of top YouTube gurus and how you can use the same method to create scripts that keep viewers glued to your content. The tool that makes all this possible is called Poppy AI. Unlike ChatGPT or other AI tools you've probably tried, Poppy can literally analyze entire videos, understand patterns, and learn from visual content. Look at this interface. It's completely visual. You can drag and drop videos, images, even entire websites. And Poppy understands all of it. Let me show you the exact AI system I use to crank out killer scripts in just a few hours. I call this the triple knowledge transfer because we are transferring 3 different types of knowledge into Poppy to create the perfect script. It works in 3 simple steps. First, we teach Poppy how you talk by giving it examples of your voice and style. Second, we feed it reference videos from your niche, the top performing content that you want to emulate or make a video about. And third, this is the secret sauce. We give it the expertise of YouTube's best scriptwriters so it knows exactly how to structure and write engaging content. When you combine these knowledge sources, the results are absolutely insane. Let me break it down step by step. First, let's create a new board. Click New Board and give it a name like Script Generator or whatever works for you. What makes Poppy so powerful compared to regular AI tools is this whole visual workspace. You're building a visual knowledge system that the AI can actually see and understand. The visual format is a game changer, especially if you have ADHD like me. You can literally see all your ideas connected instead of getting lost in endless text prompts. You can drag videos around, group them together, and connect them to the AI chat in a way that makes sense visually. It's like having this mind map which makes the whole process way more intuitive. Now let's start building our triple knowledge transfer. The first step is teaching Poppy how you talk. This is crucial because we don't want generic scripts. We want scripts that sounds like you wrote them. Press G on your keyboard or click right here on this folder icon to create a group and name it My Voice. If you already have content online, this is super easy. Just copy the link, go back to Poppy, and just paste it right into your board. You can do this by pressing Command V. Here's a little hack. If you don't have your own content yet or you want to emulate someone else's speaking style, you can add videos from creators whose tone you like. Just make sure to adjust the final script to sound authentic to you. Also, Poppy has this awesome feature where you can record a voice memo right on the website. Just click this on this record button and talk for like 2-3 minutes about anything, your day, your opinion on a topic, or whatever. This gives Poppy a sample of how you naturally speak. Make sure all your personal content goes into this first group. This is how Poppy learns your tone, your common phrases, and your unique speaking style. Now for the second group, press G again and name this one Reference Video. This is where we're going to add top performing videos in your niche, the kind of content you want to recreate. Let's say you're in a personal development niche and you want to make a video about how to focus. You would search for the most popular videos, find creators who are killing it, and grab links to their best performing videos. Copy those links and paste them into Poppy. I recommend adding at least 3 to 5 videos here so Poppy has enough reference material. The key here is quality over quantity. Don't just add random videos. Add the absolute best content in your niche, the videos that got millions of views and high engagements. This group is basically your knowledge bucket. Poppy will extract information from these videos to understand what topics to cover, what examples to use, and what kind of content resonates in your niche. Now for the secret sauce, the third group. Press G again and name this one Script Expertise. This is where we add content from the best YouTube scriptwriting experts. I found this killer videos that breaks down scriptwriting perfectly. One full scriptwriting script from Brian, who's one of the best YouTube scriptwriters on YouTube, and one from Calway where he covers storytelling and scriptwriting techniques. By the way, this dude is a content genius. I highly recommend checking out his videos. And this one from Oscar on how to write a killer script. Just paste these links and drag them into your Script Expertise group. What we're doing here is giving Poppy access to the principles and techniques that top YouTube scriptwriters use. It's gonna learn about hooks, storytelling, retention strategies, and all the psychological tricks that keep viewers watching. Now let's connect all these groups to the AI. Click on the AI chat icon to open a chat window. Then drag the connection points from each group to the chat. You will see these lines connecting your groups to the chat. This means Poppy now has access to all knowledge sources, your voice, your reference video, and script writing expertise. Before we generate the full script, here's a pro tip that most people miss. Outline your script first. This step is crucial because it gives Poppy a clear structure to work with. Let's write a prompt for our outline. Here's my go-to formula. You can grab it from the description. Analyze the videos in the script expertise group to understand best practices for script structure. Then, using the topics and examples from the reference video group, create an outline for a 10-minute video about your topic, in my case how to focus. Make sure the outline follows the principles of high retention script writing. Watch how quickly Poppy generates a detailed outline based on the script writing best practices but applied to your specific niche. Look at that. It gives us a killer hook, a clear structure, and even transition ideas between sections. This outline alone would take hours to create manually, but Poppy did it in seconds. And if you don't like this outline, you have tons of options. You can simply ask Poppy to revise it, generate a completely new one, or get super specific. Like, I like the structure of Ali Abdallah's video on how to focus. Make my outline follow that format instead. You can even tell it to remove a section you don't want to cover or replace them with specific topics you'd rather talk about. It's like having a script writing team that never gets annoyed with your revision requests. Now for the fun part, generating the actual script. Here's the exact prompt I used. I'll put this one in the description as well. Using the outline we just created, write a full script for a 10-minute video about your topic, in my case, how to focus. Apply script writing principles from the script expertise group to ensure high retention. Use the tone and style from my voice group so it sounds authentic to me. Include specific examples and information from the reference videos group. Now watch the magic happen. Poppy is literally creating script that sounds like you wrote it, structured like the best scriptwriter would do it, with content based on what's already proven to work in your niche. Look at this. The hook follows all the principles we learned from the script expert, the way it transitions between points, the storytelling elements, the pattern interrupts, it's all there. And it sounds just like you because Poppy learned your speaking style from the first group. Sometimes the first draft isn't perfect, and that's okay. The beauty of Poppy is how easy it is to refine your script. If you want to make changes, just tell Poppy what you want to adjust. For example, the hook is great, but can you make the middle section more detailed? Add more examples about task management and make sure to include some storytelling elements. Poppy will update just that section while keep everything else intact. Once you're happy with your script, you can just copy it to your Note app. Poppy has a built-in Notion integration. I personally draft all my scripts right here instead of jumping between apps. Just click this button and paste your script right here where you can make any final tweaks before filming. Now, if you want to try this yourself, you can get Poppy using my link in the description, and here's a special deal. Use my code at checkout to get $25 off the yearly plan, which is a pretty sweet discount. Yes, it's not the cheapest tool out there, but when you consider what you would pay a scriptwriter, easily $100-$200 per script, or how many hours of your life you spent writing scripts that are not even that good, it's absolutely worth it. One good script that boosts your attention can literally pay for a year of Poppy. But here's the thing, you're not just limited to YouTube scripts. You can write absolutely anything. Scripts for shorts, reels, emails, landing pages, TikToks. Speaking of TikTok, I've got this video that shows exactly how to use AI to create UGC videos for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. With Poppy, you can write killer scripts for those videos, pump out product reviews, and actually make some serious money with this. Now, if you want to see how it works in action, click on the video on the screen right here and I will see you there.